Why internal auditing? Today, internal auditing is really a means for management and board of directors to keep their fingers on the pulse of the organization's risk and control structures. This ensures keeping on track with performances within robust control environment which would achieve the strategic plans. In good old days, the internal auditing meant to be very tiresome, dull and exhausting. Business units saw them as annoying cops. With latest development of governance and cutting-edge technology, the role of auditors has reached to a different standard where auditors can't sit inside their rooms anymore. Especially in this new age, auditors should have enhanced professionalism, proficiency and effectiveness. Thus, internal audit divisions need objectively driven and highly motivated employees to support their business along with skills rich in latest techniques, changes of legislations and industry-based practices. Why do organizations need talented internal auditors? It is to enhance and protect organizational value by providing risk-based and objective assurance, advice, and insight. In order to provide such service, internal auditors should be insightful, proactive, and future-focused. And that makes the career of an internal auditor receive huge respect from organizations.